Every file in Linux has permissions that control who can read, write, or execute it. Let's break down how this works. Every file has 3 separate permission sets. First, the owner, usually whoever created the file. Then the group, which lets you share access with a team. Finally, other, which is literally everyone else on the system. Each set has 3 possible permissions. Read lets you see what's inside. Write lets you change it. Execute lets you run the file as a program. For directories, execute means something different. We'll get to that. This is what you see when you run ls-l, 10 characters. First character is the file type. Then 3 groups of 3, owner, group, other. A dash means that permission is not granted. For directories, the same letters mean different things. Read lets you list what's inside. Write lets you create or delete files. Execute is the tricky one. You need it to cd into the directory or access any file inside, even if you know the name. Each permission is a bit. Read is 4. Write is 2. Execute is 1. Add them up to get the number. So 7 means all permissions. 6 means read-write. 5 means read-execute. You'll use these with chmod. 644 for regular files. Owner can edit, everyone can read. 755 for scripts and directories. Owner full access, others can read and execute. 600 for sensitive files, like SSH keys. Only the owner can access. 700 for private directories. Never use 777 unless you really know why. That's the RWX model. 3 sets, 3 permissions, 3 digits. Master these 4 chmod patterns, and you'll handle 99% of permission issues.